Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking two different style of Cassareep chicken. One is my dad's way and the other is my mom's way. And I'm going to make the Cassareep chicken to go with dal and rice. My oil is hot. I'm gonna start with my mom's way. I have bandanya, Guyana fine thyme, married man poke, pudina, garlic, onion, wiri pepper, and bala fire in here. Gonna add that to the oil. This is my dad's Cassareep chicken. I have grind bala fire, wiri pepper, onion, and garlic in here. And this is the style my dad used to do for when they're drinking. He used to make this for chesa. And my first Cassareep chicken video I put up with the pachowni and the dal and rice. I know some people said you do not put curry powder or garam masala in Cassareep chicken, but that is my grandparents' recipe and it is delicious. I'm fortunate to have recipes from my aji, my nani, and my parents. Now I'll add the chicken. I have the allspice in here, which I'm going to crush up. So I'm going to add the chicken seasoning, cinnamon stick, clove, salt, and black pepper. Now I'm gonna cover this and continue cooking. Gonna add the chicken. Gonna remove the allspice. I'll crush that after. Same thing, I'm adding chicken seasoning, black pepper, salt, cinnamon stick, and clove. I'm gonna cover this and continue cooking. Now that all the water dry out, I'm going to add the Cassareep. I'm going to cover and continue cooking for a few minutes more, then I will add boiling water. Now I'll add boiling water. And we'll cover and continue cooking. Now that all the water dry out, I'm going to add the Cassareep. And I'm going to cover and continue cooking for a few minutes more, then I will add boiling water. Now I'll add boiling water. Same thing, we're going to cover and continue cooking. Now this is almost done. I'm going to leave the lid off and I'll add the green onion. This one still needs some more time. Put back the lid on and continue cooking. And this is almost finished. I'm gonna leave the lid off now and continue cooking. And my mom's Cassareep chicken is finished cooking. This is finished. I'm going to add the green onion. And it's done. Here is my mom and my dad's Cassareep chicken with dal and rice. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.